Hi guys, I just wanted to make a quick video talking about these Zwilling storage container sets, the vacuum sealer system. This is the vacuum sealer that goes to it. You connect it here, press the button, and they seal whatever food you have in the container. And even if you don't use the vacuum, they still hold pretty tight. They're airtight, so these are not, none of these are vacuum sealed, and right now I'm holding it like this and it doesn't open. So to open it, you could just basically pull it kind of hard and it'll open without the vacuum being sealed. And if it's too hard, you just go ahead and lift up the seal right here in the middle and it'll open quicker whenever it gets too hard to open, especially when vacuum sealing it. But look, this is open. Sorry, this is my bell peppers for the week. So I'm just going to close it like that, put the seal back on there, and you see I can hold it again. It's kind of iffy, but I never hold them like that, but this is just to show in the video for whoever wanted to see that. And the same thing with this. This is not vacuum sealed, and if it's not sealed, you could basically open it like that. But let me show you once it's sealed. You see, if you close it, you just gotta press down to make sure it's closed right, and it'll hold again. But let's vacuum seal it. You put it on there, you just press the button. Well, that one had a lot of air in it. I guess because it's empty. And once it stops flashing, you see it's done vacuum sealing. So you just tip it over like that, and it's even harder to open. So once it's vacuum sealed, I can't open it like that. You see, it's harder to open once you could tell that it's vacuum sealed because it's harder to open. So I usually just lift up. Did you hear that? And then you could open it, and then make sure you press it down all the way and close that again. Now it's not vacuum sealed because I just opened it and released the air, and it's still kind of hard to open, but there. I hope I'm explaining that right. Hopefully you guys can understand what I'm saying. If I was able to explain it right. These don't have nothing. They're not. This one's not vacuum sealed. Still openable. You see? But let's vacuum seal it. Okay, that one was quicker. Now let's try to open it. And it's too hard to open when it's vacuum sealed. So we gotta release it. Did you hear? And then it'll just open. So now the air is all out or back in. Place it on there. Make sure it's closed completely right. And it holds pretty good. You can still open it. The little one's easier to open than the bigger ones, but it's still pretty good. So this set came with this huge one right here, and then this one. This is probably the one I use most often. This big one, and the two small ones. This one, you see, that's a pretty good size, and the small one, that's cute. Okay. Came with those 4 glass containers. The vacuum, that is easy. I just store it right there in the cabinet with the containers. It doesn't take up much space at all. And it came with some plastic storage bags. I don't have them on hand right now, but yeah, it's a really, if you're into vacuum sealing, it's really good investment. Well, thank you for watching, and thank you for your questions. I hope this video helped you in some way, and thank you for watching.